Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Luye Township sits in the center of Taitung County. Hakka immigrants arrived in Luye roughly 120 years ago. In the early years, they grew sugarcane and pineapples. However, these days, the primary crop is tea. If you find yourself in Luye, remember to taste the famous Fulu tea while enjoying the gorgeous natural scenery.
鹿野乡位于台东县中部，这里的客家移民大约在120几年前来此开垦，早年以种甘蔗、凤梨为主。现在在龙田及高台一带，则规划了茶叶专业区。游鹿野除了享受绿意盎然的自然风光，别忘了品尝著名的福禄茶。
Welcome everybody, it's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello, 大家好，我係阿邊哥 Leo。
大家好, I'm Tim Berge. And Leo, I hear today you're going to introduce a place in Taidong which is famous for its tea. 聽說你今天要介紹一個在台東縣它的茶很有名的一個地方。
台東茶米清有名嘅就係鹿野鄉。
鹿野鄉 Okay, so Luye Town, and it's famous for its tea. What kind of tea do they make there? 那它那邊的茶是怎麼樣？是什麼茶？
它那邊的茶就叫做福禄茶、福禄茶。
福禄茶。
我剛剛有講到一個名詞，就是茶葉。茶葉客家話叫茶米。
茶米 Okay, so that's tea leaf in Hakka.
國字就是寫茶米。
茶米真的，所以是tea rice, so that's interesting for the tea leaf.
因為茶在制作過程，它會捲成一顆顆小小的，所以就像米粒一樣，就叫茶米。
Okay, so the little tea leaves look just like little kernels of rice. Okay, so how do you say to drink tea in Hakka? I'm very curious about it. How would you say 要喝茶要怎麼說？
吃茶，
吃茶
就是吃茶。
吃茶，吃不用喝的，要用吃的呢。太厲害了。
沒有，其實客家話有很多的用語會比較簡化一點。我們像吃飯叫吃飯，
吃飯，
吃飯，然後喝茶叫吃茶。
吃茶 ，OK, but that means to drink tea.
但是也可以講飲茶。
飲茶也是喝茶的意思。
對，就是飲茶的意思。
飲茶 Okay, so 飲茶 also means to drink tea in Hakka. You know, Leo, so after we've enjoyed our tea with the big open area down there in Taidong, I bet you it's a great place to try out a kite.
冇唔錯，這片不用紙嘢為整件當好哦。
什麼東西？
就是風箏啊，客家話叫做紙椰尾。
紙椰尾 Wow, that's a lot different than the Chinese, but that means kite. Wow, well, that was a great day in Taidong. Thanks a lot, Leo. And that's it for today's Talk About Hakka. I'm Tim Berge.
我係 Leo，什麼大家按自己張來了。
See you next time.
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.